Hi peeps, Diana here, and I have some pro tips for you on how to degrease your massage linens that I'd love to share with you. The first thing I want to talk about is how to wash them. Pure Pro Orange. It's the strongest degreaser you can buy. It is made for massage linens. We have it in quarts, we have it in gallons. It is super concentrated because we want your towels not to be skunky. No more skunky linens. No more skunky linens. So, Pure Pro Orange is your friend. It will help you. You say, hey, I use lotions and creams. I don't have a problem. You don't have a problem yet because lotions and creams are made from vegetable oil, and over time they build up in the linens and they can go rancid. So using this is as a preventative is a really good option as well. And the product is super concentrated. It is compatible with bleach as well as non-chlorine bleach. One tip I would give you is if you have linens that are in really bad shape, that you're thinking of tossing, but you think you want to try to rehabilitate them, try it with the orange. What I recommend is washing them once through the cycle. Warm or cold is fine. You don't need to use super hot. In fact, those super hot cycles can actually cook the oil into your linens, so you don't need to do that. And wash them through once, and then don't take them out of the washer. Wash them through a second time, adding in your chlorine bleach if they're white, or your non-chlorine if they're colored linens. Give it that 1-2 punch, and at that point you'll probably get all the oil out. If you go to take any linens out of a washer machine and they feel oily or they smell oily or rancid, do not put them in the dryer. If you put them in the dryer, you've made it much more difficult because it bakes it in. So you don't normally have to wash twice, but a lot of times by the time people break down and buy a degreaser, all their linens are in bad shape and it's really expensive to replace all their linens. So I just want to give you the best chance at success. You can also put things on a soak cycle and let them soak for a few hours in the citrus solvent. Pure Pro Orange is a detergent. It's a degreasing detergent, but it also has solvents that are made from orange peels, lemon peels, and lime peels, and it really gets the oil out. It cleans the bejeebies out of your massage linens. So that's the product I recommend. It's the product I make. So, but here are some other pro tips that will be helpful to you. The number one thing is to not clean your clients off with the sheets, or the larger towels that you're draping them with. I like to use these hand towels, small hand towels, and they're very affordable. So when they do get, worn out or skunky, they are, cheap and easy to replace. And what I like to do, I learned this when I was in massage school 30 years ago, is make like a mitt with it. Let's say I've done the torso, I've done the back. And before I redrape, a lot of people will kind of mop the client with the linens. It's very hard to clean a client off with sheets particularly. You can't really get much purchase on the skin. So I like the hand towel method. Like I said, you wrap it around your hand, you take it and you just use it to clean the client off. I've had phenomenal feedback from clients about this. It's definitely exfoliating. I've had people who are going back to offices with a suit and a tie or nice business clothes, and they always had issues with oil on their neck, or they got oil on their clothes, or even the lotion over time can build up. So this is a great way to prevent that. The other thing you want to do is once you have cleaned the client off with hand towels, I usually keep quite a few in my office, you want to separate these. You don't want to wash these that are now very saturated with product with your other linens. Your other linens will be easy to clean because they haven't absorbed too much. You're not going to get those body prints now because you've really cleaned them off. So when they go from prone to supine, you're not going to have all that extra product being pushed into your sheets. And what you want to do is you want to separate the hand towels once they've been used. And I recommend black plastic bags that you can tie shut. And here's why. These are the things that make oils and lotions go rancid: heat, light, and air. So if you push the air out of the bag, tie it tightly, you've taken care of the light and the air part, and then keep it in a cool place. If you're going to wash your linens within 24 hours, probably not an issue. But if they're going to sit for any period of time above that, I really recommend the plastic bag trick. Then when you wash the hand towels that are more saturated separately. And you can really blast those. And like I said, over time, they're much more affordable than replacing hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of full sets of linens. The other thing I just love about the hand towels is I like having them in my office because I can't tell you how many times I have taken them and made little rolls for under the neck or in the pec or all sorts of areas in the body where someone needs a little extra support. And I keep stacks of them in my massage room because I find them to be great tools in addition to being great for the wiping off of the product, off the client. So those are my pro tips about doing laundry. My mother would be so proud that I'm doing laundry lectures. And if you have any questions, you can email us, you can call us, or the email, you can email us at custserve@purepro.com, custserv@purepro.com, or call us 800-900-7873. And you will be now without skunky linens. No more skunky linens. Yay! Thanks for watching.